Your total is $42.75.
Thank you so much.
Have a great day. Thank you for shopping with us today.
Thank you so much. Good morning. Lovely day, isn't it? These green chilies are perfectly fresh. A little bit of chaat masala makes everything taste so much better. Let's make some green chili pickle. Now we add a little bit of garam masala to make it tasty. First, we add a pinch of turmeric and mix it until it's smooth. Now we let it fry. First, we prepare the batter with fresh spices. Now we fry them until they are perfectly golden. First, we coat the chili. Make sure it's fully covered. Now, drop it in. Look at that perfect golden color. Today we are making crispy mirchi bhaji. Be very careful when you drop them in the hot oil.
Can I taste some of that fresh chutney?
Ah, this chili is incredibly hot. It is going to make a perfect sauce. There is nothing better than fresh spices. If you liked my video, then like my video.
Comment on my video, subscribe to my channel.
This is the best chai you've ever made.
Glad you like it, my dear.
Perfect.
How much for this fresh chicken?
For you, my friend, 500 rupees.
Perfect, I will take it. Look what I got for dinner tonight.
Oh, that is wonderful. Let's cook it right away. May the sun shine bright on your work today.
I'll be back by sunset, don't you worry. This sample should do it. We must protect the.
Let me give this a good stir. Now for some fresh onions. Perfect. Now we add the perfect blend of masala.
This is the best part of the day.
Yes, I really love being in the fields with you.
Let us enjoy this beautiful tea.
It is a beautiful day.
अगर आपको मेरी वीडियो पसंद ही हो तो मेरी वीडियो पर लाइक करें और मैं वीडियो पर कमेंट करें और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें।